Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to make $100 a day online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or hoping to replace your current income, I've got you covered with the top 5 methods that can help you reach that $100 daily goal. So, let's jump right in. 1. Freelancing. The first method on our list is freelancing. With the rise of remote work opportunities, freelancing has become a popular way to make money online. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Identify your skills. Take some time to assess your skills and interests. Are you good at writing, graphic design, programming, or something else? Identifying your strengths will help you narrow down your freelancing niche. Step 2. Create your portfolio. Build a portfolio showcasing your previous work. This could be samples of articles you've written, designs you've created, or projects you've completed. A strong portfolio will help you attract potential clients. Step 3. Sign up on freelancing platforms. There are numerous freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can create a profile and start bidding on projects. Make sure to optimize your profile with relevant keywords and a compelling description. Step 4. Start pitching. Once your profile is set up, start pitching for projects that match your skills. Be proactive and send personalized proposals to potential clients explaining how you can help them achieve their goals. Step 5. Deliver quality work. Once you land a project, make sure to deliver high-quality work on time. Building a good reputation and receiving positive reviews will help you attract more clients and command higher rates. Before we go to our second pick, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk about the second method: affiliate marketing. This is a popular way to earn passive income online by promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche that interests you and has profitable affiliate programs. This could be anything from fitness and health to technology or finance. Step 2. Research affiliate programs. Look for affiliate programs related to your chosen niche. You can find them through affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, or directly through companies' websites. Step 3. Build your platform. Create a platform where you can promote affiliate products. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media profiles, or a combination of these. Focus on creating valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Step 4. Promote products. Once you have your platform set up, start promoting affiliate products through your content. You can write reviews, create tutorials, or share personal recommendations. Be transparent about your affiliate relationships to build trust with your audience. Step 5. Track your performance. Keep track of your affiliate marketing efforts and analyze what's working and what's not. This will help you refine your strategies and optimize your earnings over time. 3. Online tutoring. Next up on our list is online tutoring, a lucrative opportunity for those with expertise in a particular subject. Here's how you can start earning $100 a day through online tutoring. Step 1. Choose your subject. Identify the subjects or topics you excel in and are passionate about teaching. It could be anything from math and science to language learning or music. Step 2. Set up your profile. Create a profile on online tutoring platforms like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, or VIP Kid. Provide details about your qualifications, teaching experience, and availability. Step 3. Create your lesson plans. Develop comprehensive lesson plans tailored to your students' needs and learning objectives. Incorporate interactive activities, multimedia resources, and real-world examples to make your lessons engaging and effective. Step 4. Schedule sessions. Once your profile is set up, start scheduling tutoring sessions with students. Offer flexible scheduling options to accommodate different time zones and preferences. Step 5. Deliver high-quality instruction. During your tutoring sessions, focus on providing personalized attention and guidance to help your students grasp difficult concepts and improve their academic performance. Step 6. Expand your reach. To increase your earnings, consider offering group tutoring sessions, creating pre-recorded video lessons, or partnering with educational institutions and homeschooling networks. 4. Podcasting. Last but not least, let's explore the world of podcasting as another avenue to make $100 a day online. Podcasting has surged in popularity in recent years, offering content creators a unique opportunity to monetize their expertise and insights. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Select a niche or topic that interests you and has a potential audience. Whether it's business, self-improvement, true crime, or comedy, find a niche where you can provide valuable content and engage with listeners. Step 2. Plan your content. Develop a content strategy outlining the format, themes, and episode topics for your podcast. Consider conducting market research to identify popular trends and topics within your niche. Step 3. Create high-quality episodes. Invest in quality recording equipment and editing software to produce professional-sounding podcast episodes. Focus on delivering engaging, informative, and entertaining content that resonates with your audience. Step 4. Monetize your podcast. Explore various monetization strategies such as sponsorships, affiliate marketing, listener donations, and selling merchandise or premium content. As your podcast grows in popularity, you can also offer paid subscriptions or exclusive membership perks. Step 5. Promote your podcast. Utilize social media, email newsletters, guest appearances on other podcasts, and collaborations with influencers to promote your podcast and attract new listeners. Consistent promotion and engagement are key to growing your audience and increasing your earnings. 5. Selling digital products. Another excellent way to make $100 a day online is by selling digital products. In today's digital age, there's a high demand for downloadable content such as ebooks, courses, templates, and digital art. Here's how you can capitalize on this opportunity. Step 1. Choose your product. Identify a digital product that aligns with your expertise and appeals to your target audience. This could be an ebook sharing your knowledge on a particular topic, an online course teaching a skill or hobby, or digital artwork that can be used for various purposes. Step 2. Create your product. Invest time and effort into creating a high-quality digital product that provides value to your customers. Use professional tools and software to design and develop your product, ensuring it's visually appealing and user-friendly. Step 3. Set up your online store. Choose a platform to sell your digital products, such as Shopify, Gumroad, or Etsy. Create a storefront where customers can browse your products, make purchases, and download their digital files securely. Step 4. Market your products. Implement a marketing strategy to promote your digital products and attract customers to your online store. Utilize social media, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your store. Step 5. Provide excellent customer support. Offer exceptional customer support to address any inquiries, concerns, or technical issues that arise. Providing prompt and helpful assistance will enhance the customer experience and increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Step 6. Analyze and iterate. Continuously monitor your sales performance and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Experiment with pricing, product offerings, and marketing tactics to optimize your sales and maximize your revenue potential. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 ways to make $100 a day online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, hard work, and perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.